Mabuhay! Good day everyone, my name is Jenny Cuevas and today I will talk briefly about the Global Code of Ethics for Tourism, a set of principles created by the World Tourism Organization to promote responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism. This code consists of 10 key articles that guide the behavior of tourists, governments, travel businesses, and local communities. It encompasses respect for cultural heritage, environmental protection, human rights, and mutual understanding. For example, it promotes tourism that benefits local communities, protects natural and cultural resources, and respects the traditions and values of host destinations. It also calls for equal access to tourism opportunities and safety for all travelers. And that will be all for today. Thank you.